Hello friends, welcome to ETAPS learning training series. So far we have discussed how to read the architectural drawing, how to defining the grade, how to defining the material properties, how to define the sectional properties, how to model ground floor, first floor, second floor and roof level. Now if you will be notice, in the first floor we have one more element and that is a balcony. And if you will be see, that balcony is from center of the column at a distance of 3 feet 6 inch. So this is our balcony, so that we need to be plotted. So I will be good with ETAPS, and in the ETAPS we are continuing modeling of our project. And as you can see, right now I am in first floor plan view. If you are in roof plan view, so obviously you can simply use move up, move down. So if you be move up, as you can see, this is my roof plan view. And if you have the extruded option, so you can set display option, and if you have turn on these two option which I had shown you in previous video, so you can turn off extruded option directly from here as well. So you can click here, turn off these two options, okay, and you will be switched to the first floor plan view. Now in the first floor plan view we have the balcony slab which is at a distance of 3 feet 6 inch from center of the column. So unlike our standard method, we can also create the grid at this point and we can create the slab, but that one will be tedious method, or more grid will be making our model much more complex. So rather than creating the grid, what we are doing, what we are going to do, we are just plotting one point at here, and then we will be plot the balcony, and as you can see, the same balcony will be also at the second floor level. So we will copy that balcony to the second floor level. So that is, we will start our process. So right now we are in first floor plan view, and we will go to this draw, and we will go to the draw joint objects. Now as you can see, properties objects dialog box has been displayed. Now as you can see here, my distance is 3 foot 6 inch from the center of the column. So here distance is given in mm. So what we will do, 3 foot 6 inch is equal to 42 inches, and 1 inches is equal to 25.4 mm, and 25.4 multiplied by 42, so that one will becomes 1066.8 mm. So we will type minus 1066.8 mm. Why minus? Because of we are going negative opposite direction to the y direction. So, and we are clicking on this point. If we are clicking on this point, then the point will be plotted here. If we are clicking on this point, point will be plotted here. So I am clicking on this point. So as you can see, one point has been plotted. So we will require only one point. We will not create another point, because of, as we know, we can draw the floor by rectangular. So in that we will use our properties slab 125 mm, and we will click first point here, don't release, and release the mouse when it will be display the joint. So click and drag by here. So as you can see, one floor has been, balcony has been drawn here. Now we will click on select object, we will select this balcony and use Ctrl R to replicate our balcony. As you know, story level we want to be replicated in the z direction, so in the story level, and we will click on second floor and we will click on apply. So as we can see, the balcony has been copied in the second floor as well. So this is how we have modeled this balcony in the first floor, and we have replicated to the second floor. Now we will meet on the next video.